Hey guys, I wanted to jump on real quick. If you were in yesterday's webinar, you'll notice that I trimmed this image here, right? And essentially I did a parallel line and I did like a line like this. And then I went in and started trimming where it intersected. And kind of the point, or one of the points of yesterday's webinar or training event was using 2D Booleans, right? So I didn't do a good job of demonstrating that during the training, so I thought I would come back and just kind of show you some of the things that you can do here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just create this rectangle here. Let's make it a little bit greater. Okay, and again, this is if you want to, if you're working with separation, you're trying to add and subtract features together. So what I'm going to do is just add this rectangle here, and I want to trim out all the geometry that intersects with it, right? So this is 2D, and we're going to do, let's say, an add. So I'll window pick everything and reselect the rectangle to just select the black geometry, right? That's the first group. And then in the second group, I'll select this shape and we'll say okay, and see how it combines all that stuff for us. Now, there are some artifacts because it does do a one-to-one Boolean, right? So we may want to go in and clean that up, but you can see that workflow is much faster than trimming and clicking and deleting everything on your own. So again, the takeaway here is you're working with an image. Okay, so let's say this one right here. And what you want to do is create a bridge or connect multiple shapes with a single shape. Okay, so we're again going to draw our rectangle. So in this case, I'm going to put it right here. We're going to make this a little bit longer. I'll make this a little bit narrower. Okay, so we want to combine this rectangle with this other group of chains. Okay, so we'll use 2D add. Again, I'm going to window pick everything and then deselect the rectangle, right? So that's the first group. And then I'll select the second group and we'll say okay. And you can see how that trims everything out in the middle. It's just a much faster way of editing. So I wanted to pick that up there. Hopefully you guys had a chance to watch the YouTube video if you didn't make the live event. If you guys have any questions, comments, or feedback about 2D Boolean, go ahead and reply to wherever this video may be posted. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next one.